It can be scary for someone who has never talked about their mental health before or may be ashamed of having poor mental health. But the thing is, we're all in this together. Every single person has mental health. We can't see inside one's brain to be able to understand how a person is feeling. So being able to talk about what a person is going through in a safe environment, understanding what signs and symptoms are around poor mental health, and to be able to overall provide a platform of education and resources to our community helps us get individuals into the care that they need. So Mental Health America, at the core of our work, is to promote overall mental health wellness. And we do that through prevention, education, public health reform, and advocacy. Our programming involves mental health education and mindfulness programming, and whether that's working with a school, looking to support their staff and students, or a workplace looking to shift their mental health culture, we customize training, education, and resources for the community at large.
As we started to look at our long-range strategic plan for this organization and finding ways that we could better serve kids and families in our program, we thought of Mental Health America because of our experience and what we'd heard about their mindfulness training that they were doing throughout schools in Sheboygan County. And because Big Brothers Big Sisters is such an integral part of the support system for kids in our community, we really thought it would be helpful for our team to get further involved and educated in mindfulness so we could provide an even further outreach to the youth and families that we serve in providing that consistent language and that consistent set of values for kids. And so we reached out to Mental Health America to talk about opportunities to develop a curriculum for not only our staff, but the volunteers in our program that we call BIGS, to learn a little bit of these insights into mindfulness and the techniques so that together as a team, we can even more thoroughly support the youth and families that we serve.
At least over the last few years, we've had more of a focus on mental health, and I don't think that there has been another, initiative or focus that has gotten the response that we have with mental health. I think associates have kept it so close to themselves. They haven't felt comfortable, reaching out or asking for help. So the more you talk about it, the more they feel that they can, open up and get the help that they need. In the last few years, I've had more people reach out and just thank us for the work that we're doing around mental health and for just making it more visible and making it okay to talk about, and just people just opening up and sharing their story with me. It's been really powerful. And like I said, I don't think that there's been another initiative or a focus that we've done that we've gotten that response from associates.
We were seeing the instant feedback from the kids and how they were acting in the classroom, utilizing breathing techniques all on their own. And we took a survey, how the kids felt about where they were right now, about mindfulness and fidgeting around and just their overall behaviors. And then we had, I want to say it was about maybe 6 weeks of some mindfulness training in the classroom. And then at the end of that, they took a post-assessment, and the results were overwhelmingly positive. And I shared the results with the school board and said, this is the progress that we've seen. And then since then, we've been incorporating it more and more within our classrooms, and the teachers have noticed a difference. We've noticed a difference with the behaviors throughout our school in all grade levels. And seeing the different techniques that have been used throughout the building has really been fun to watch kids utilizing those things.
Many people come to our door from different avenues, and the way that you can collaborate with us can look very different. And we welcome anyone to our doorstep to be able to bring forth what their desire is to help us shift that culture within Sheboygan County and beyond.